us go to 6.5.2. 6.5.2 makes a mention as the institution reviews its teaching learning process, structures and methodologies of operations and learning outcomes at periodic levels through IQAC, set up per norms and recorded the incremental improvements in various activities. This particular question focuses exclusively on teaching learning process. One of the IQACs had taken this initiative where there was a complaint from the teachers that some lectures are not being conducted in the classroom. The IQAC took an initiative whereby one teacher was appointed to see to it that which halls remain empty. The teacher took care of the visits and visited the classroom every 2 hours for almost a month's time. After which he made some reports, and these reports were then handed over to the principal. The IQAC and the principal discussed on it and necessary actions were taken. These actions play a very important role because they give a message to the professors and the teachers that all the lectures need to be conducted, though it is the fag end of the academic year. Now, such initiatives make teaching and learning more prominent. You are able to see there are a variety of teaching and learning methods that are tried upon. Methods to review teaching learning process is one initiative that IQAC can take. Peer reviewing of the lectures. Some good senior professors who are excellent in their job, they are requested to attend the classes of the other teachers and suggest them the necessary changes. Teaching audits is yet another aspect whereby every month an audit is prepared with respect to teacher and teaching, which includes whether a teaching plan is in position and is working comfortably, whether the timetable goes on properly, whether the teachers conduct all the necessary lectures, in case they have gone for a leave, whether any other teacher is going to engage the lecture, then the teacher after coming back on the leave, whether he has engaged those lectures and has tried to see to it that the syllabus remains in position, a feedback mechanism from the students. All these are a part and parcel of assessing the teaching learning process continuously. Teaching learning process is an important aspect of IQAC.